Hello from Slovenia again. I had some of this white mixed with polyurethane satin varnished mixed, so I decided that I will do a reverse flower dip and see if there is any difference if I use this background. And I will use some black and reds and gold. So black first and oops, metallic gold. See how the paint is sinking into this background color, and this is cadmium red deep hue. And I will go with black again. And pearl white. And vermilion. And I will spray my paper napkin with water just to dump it a little bit, not too much. And just want to place it down with as many air pockets as I can. Think that it's okay. And now I will just gently touch this to make sure that my paper towel, no, my paper napkin touches the surface. So, and now I will grab my corners and I didn't put my paper towel quite okay, so I hope that I can still get some nice design out of it. I just didn't lift it quite okay, but I will try to fix it a little bit if I can. But I think that I will just leave it like it is. Even I don't like this part here, but I like the other part, so I don't want to ruin it. I was hoping for a little lacing of the outside because of this satin enamel mixture for a background, but I didn't get it, so there is not much difference if I use this for a background instead of my regular white. Just a second, just have to reject. Odi, reject. Reject. Sorry, I just have to head to leave my cat out. I don't know which way, but I see this gold on the outside is reacting a little different maybe. I don't know, I think so, but we will see what will happen when this will dry, if it will change. See, a little more, I don't know how to say it, this little different than if I use just a normal white mixture. I didn't do quite a good job with lifting, but as we said many times, nothing is perfect, and neither my flowers, so I don't know. I will see how this will dry. I did some little ones on CDs too, this one and this one. Maybe I will try with some other color combination too, but I kind of like this one, so it's kind of Christmassy, or just I think so, I don't know. So this is it for today. Please comment, subscribe if you didn't yet, if you find my videos helpful. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, I don't know. Just tell me what you think, and we see you on the next one. Bye!